Methane is 86 times worse than carbon dioxide. So Windfall Bio turned to microbes for a solution. Their methane-eating microbes are seeded into manure lagoon bioreactors at farms like Strauss and Correa. These microbes eat over 85% of the methane and convert it into nitrogen-rich biomass. That creates organic fertilizer cheaper and greener than synthetic alternatives. Backed by Amazon, this nature-based solution not only shrinks emissions but also builds climate resilience on farms. If widely adopted, it could reduce global warming by up to 0.5 degrees Celsius by the year 2050.